Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Jumping in today because we've got some very powerful trades that are being produced by just simple candlestick power, candlestick breakouts. And using just simple candlestick analysis, we're able to identify the probabilities of being in these powerful trades. Now, we know the sectors right now that are acting extremely well are the biotechs and the electric vehicle area. So we use what we call the RARE analysis, which is research analysis reverse engineering. Basically, it's just as simple as if we see a pattern breakout, like a fry pan bottom breakout, we know what the results are, a strong price move. But we also know the nature of the market right now is anything that is showing strength, especially coming out of a fry pan bottom, we've just got a very simple step. We go back and see what caused that price move. Now, do we always get one-day moves like this? Definitely not. But the probabilities of being in a big price move is based upon using the information built into a candlestick chart telling us new investor sentiment is coming in pretty strong. We did that over here on OCGN, just on a lark. This is a very common breakout situation where we can see, you can't see it on this chart, but the trading was flat for months. Then all of a sudden there was a breakout. Now, we might not know what this company does, but once we go back and do the research and find out that they have COVID virus or vaccine that's been approved in India, and now they are using that to get into the U.S. market, that's what started this strong move. Now, we could see what happened on Friday after our best friend signal, bringing it off the 34 up through the T line. A couple indecisive trading days, and then on Friday, it was up another 62%. Why? We went back and looked to see what was being announced, and they had signed an agreement with one of the Indian India what do I say biotech companies to distribute COVID vaccine over there as well as in the U.S. It was acting strong, and the nature of the market right now is that anything acting strong, there's no bearish sentiment in this market, allows it to continue higher. It closed at 525. After hours, it was trading up at 861. Is this the type that can go to 20, 30, 40, 50? In this market condition, all we have to do is play the candlestick patterns and signals and putting ourselves in situations where the probabilities of being in big price moves are greatly in our favor. Again, this is not rocket science. This is just identifying when there's been a change of investor sentiment. CECIV, another one, traded in the chat room because of this breakout. Notice how it traded flat for months. And then that told us there was a new investor sentiment. You just go back and see what caused that, what announcement caused that move. And is that going to create more upside, or is this just a one-shot day? So these classic patterns, fry pan bottom breakouts, are putting us in situations, especially in these market conditions, that they move up extremely high. Workhorse, for example. A couple of weeks ago, it was announced that the U.S. government was going to mandate that every government vehicle was electric. That put a boost in Workhorse. Now we know what type of pattern to look for after that breakout, a 45-degree. These are the situations that we're trying to get into right now, things that everybody's rushing into. You've also got the instigation, I guess, of getting into strong trades in case there happens to be another GameStop move that's in progress. people don't want to miss out on the big price moves. All we have to do is watch the candlestick charts to tell us if there's a continuing to buy. So getting into situations like this, knowing what should happen after a breakout, allows us to be in big percent price moves. So join us. The chat room is an excellent place to learn how to use the candlestick signals and patterns. And it's also a very good place where everybody's watching to see if there's a breakout in one of the strong sectors. And then using the RARE research program, reverse engineering, to see what the announcement was, and then bringing that to everybody's attention. So join us. The chat room not only teaches you how to use candlestick analysis correctly, but you've got everybody looking for the same type of price patterns where you don't have to be looking at your own scan all the time. You can find out what everybody else is watching. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.